Let's create a simple and smooth player movement system that can interact with physics and automatically face the direction it's moving. Start by creating a new mono behavior script. Right-click inside the Assets folder, create a C# script, and rename it to Player Movement. Then open it. First, delete the comments so the script looks cleaner and easier to read. The first thing we're going to do is create a rigid body variable named RB. Then, inside the start method, we're using getComponent to find the rigid body attached to our player and store it inside the RB variable. This is important because later we'll use that rigid body to move our character. If some of these concepts are confusing, I recommend watching my Unity Basics video first so you can follow along more easily. The link is in the description. Next, inside the update method, we're going to read the player's keyboard input. Start by declaring two float variables, X and Z. The horizontal axis handles the A and D keys, while the vertical axis handles the W and S keys. After that, we combine those values into a movement direction using a vector 3. You might notice that I'm using normalized at the end. This prevents the player from moving faster when pressing multiple keys at the same time, such as moving diagonally. Next, we calculate where the player should move. We're taking the player's current position, adding the movement direction, multiplying it by our movement speed, and using time.delta time so the movement remains consistent regardless of frame rate. Finally, we use move position to move the rigid body. Now, go back to Unity and create a ground and a player. I'm going to use a cube as my player. Next, add a rigid body component to the player and attach the script we just created. Click play, and there we go. We now have a basic player movement system. But there's a problem. Right now, it just looks like a moving cube. We want it to feel more like an actual player character. To do that, we're going to add a facing direction so we can clearly see where the player is looking. Open your script and add this code. In this condition, whenever the player presses any movement key such as W, A, S, or D, the player will automatically face the direction they're moving. First, create a Quaternion variable called rotation using Quaternion.LookRotation. This allows the player to look toward the movement direction based on our move value. Then, update the rigid body's rotation using Quaternion.RotateTowards, similar to how we calculated our target position earlier. This will create a smooth turning effect instead of instantly snapping to the new direction. Save the script and go back to Unity. Click play. And now it looks much better. The player smoothly turns and faces the direction of movement, making it feel more like a real character. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or issues in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos to continue learning Unity.